Nestled in Turkey's Black Sea region, near the village of Ballıca in Tokat province's Pazar district, lies a breathtaking underground wonder, sculpted by nature's patience over millions of years. The Ballıca Cave. Ballıca Cave stands out not only for its sheer size, but also for its unique geological features, making it one of the most remarkable caves in both Turkey and the world. Situated at an altitude of about 1,085 meters above sea level, it is located roughly 26 kilometers from Tokat city center. Access is straightforward, with an asphalt road leading through Ballıca village right up to the entrance. The formation of Ballica Cave dates back approximately 3.4 million years to the Pliocene epoch. Primarily developed within limestone layers, this is a classic karst cave system, shaped when groundwater slowly dissolves the limestone, creating voids over vast stretches of time. The calcium carbonate carried by these waters is gradually deposited, forming stalactites, stalagmites, columns, draperies, and other dripstone formations. This is a process measured not in centuries, but in geological ages. The cave consists of 8 distinct levels, though only 4 are currently open to visitors. The remaining levels are either geologically unstable, still in active formation, or difficult to access. The explored and arranged portion of the cave stretches about 680 meters, though scientific studies suggest its full length is considerably greater. What makes Ballıca Cave so special is not just its size, it is the remarkable diversity of speleothems, its layered structure, its stable microclimate, its biological habitats, and even its archaeological potential. Inside, a series of chambers, each with its own unique geological character, await exploration. Resite, the elderly hall. Here lie the oldest stalactites and stalagmites in the cave. Massive, dark-toned and thick in structure, these formations are estimated to be hundreds of thousands of years old. In many places, stalactites and stalagmites have fused to form towering columns. This hall serves as a natural archive, providing vital clues to the cave's immense age.
The Great Stalactite Hall.
One of the largest and most visually striking chambers, this hall showcases draperies, towering columns, mushroom-shaped formations, and calcite deposits in varying shades. These structures have formed over centuries as mineral-rich water droplets rhythmically fell from the ceiling. Walking here, you can hear the echo of your steps, a gentle reminder of the cave's vastness.
The Mushroom Hall.
Named for its mushroom-like formations, this chamber is the result of unique and consistent calcite deposition patterns. Rarely found in caves worldwide, these shapes provide valuable insight into the evolutionary history of Ballıca Cave. The Collapse Hall. This hall tells the story of the cave's ongoing geological activity. Large boulders, fallen from the ceiling over time, are scattered here, proving that the cave remains dynamic and ever-changing. As such, this chamber is closely monitored for visitors' safety. The Bat Gallery. The biological heart of Ballica Cave, this gallery serves as a seasonal home to bat colonies. Most active during spring and summer, these bats play a role in the cave's ecosystem and are a testament to its biodiversity. Microclimate and health benefits. Inside Ballica Cave, the temperature remains steady year-round at about 18 degrees Celsius, with humidity ranging from 54% to 70%. These stable conditions not only sustain the growth of dripstone formations, but also create air quality that has been noted for its potential health benefits. With its high oxygen content and dust-free environment, the cave's air is believed to help individuals with respiratory issues such as asthma and bronchitis. For this reason, Ballica is sometimes called a natural therapy center. Scientific and archaeological importance. For geologists and speleologists, Ballica Cave is a natural laboratory. Studies of its layers have yielded insights into the region's paleoclimate, hydrology, and tectonic history. In some areas, fossil remains and traces of prehistoric habitation have been discovered, suggesting that the cave may have been used by ancient humans or animals.
Visitation and conservation. Under the protection of Turkey's Ministry of Culture and Tourism, Ballica Cave is equipped with wooden walkways, railings, and specialized lighting for visitor safety. Activities such as unauthorized excavation, breaking off rock formations, or using camera flash are strictly prohibited to protect both its geological wonders and delicate ecosystem.
Global significance. Ballica Cave has drawn international attention from the caving community and has been recommended for inclusion in UNESCO's World Heritage Tentative List. It has been featured in global nature documentaries for its geological diversity, biological habitats, and historical value, making it a site of multi-dimensional importance. Ballıca Cave is a masterpiece of nature, sculpted over millions of years, gradually revealing its secrets to science. More than just a visual spectacle, it is a living archive of Earth's past, a testament to the patience of nature, and a place where the planet's inner voice can still be had.